This home that we are about to tour is spectacular. Now, this home is located in Littleton, Colorado. It's in the Sterling Ranch community, which is amazing. Stick around at the end because I'm going to show you some video of the community itself also. Now, this home here that we're about to tour, it's big. It's about 3,170 square feet. That's the main floor and upstairs, not including basement square footage. Now, this home can be built with 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to 5.5 bathrooms, just depending on the finishes that you choose and if you choose to finish the basement. Typically, when the builder finishes the basement on these models, you're gonna have a big great room, a bedroom, and a full bathroom down there. Now, this home also has a 2-car attached garage, and it's what we call a next-gen home. Because this home has a suite, a separate lock-off suite that's attached to the main floor of the home. So this is great for elderly parents that you might want to come live with you, or young adult children who are trying to save up for their own home and they want their own space, or maybe you have visiting family members a lot. Now, this lock-off suite has its own entrance. It has a family room area. It has what we call a kitchenette. It cannot have any range or oven in there, but there's a small refrigerator and there's a microwave, and then there's obviously access to the main home's kitchen. It also has a full bedroom, full bathroom, large walk-in closet, and its own laundry space too. So before we go check this one out, I'm Kathy Hansen. I'm a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom, and all of my information is here below. If I can help you with any real estate need or question, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm the one who answers the phone, the calls, and the texts. Now let's go see it. think about this home? I would love to know it in the comments. Let me know. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you love the next gen suite? I do. I think they're fantastic. Now this home, like I said, is located in Sterling Ranch. And Sterling Ranch, there are Metro District taxes here, so it's something you do need to be aware of, which I did a whole video about Metro District taxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that right above here. Go watch that one when you're finished with this one. And there is an HOA here. Now the HOA is spectacular because you have outdoor pools, you have an indoor gym and fitness center, you have a huge clubhouse, you have an on-site activities coordinator in this community. So there are tons of activities that are happening around the holidays, book clubs, food truck nights, movie nights, all of those kind of things, plus all of the clubs that are happening for the residents here. Trust me, it's awesome. And then the last thing about Sterling Ranch, this is a new community. It's on like a 10 or 20 year build plan because once it's complete, there's gonna be about 12,000 homes out here in this community. And we're in about year 5 or 6, I believe, here building in Sterling Ranch. Now in Sterling Ranch, there is also a small center that they call the Hub. Now the Hub has things in it that you would use in your everyday life. Or if you work from home and you need to escape your home office and want to get out for a little while, there's a coffee shop there, there's a brewery. So you can go to the coffee shop or the brewery, have a beer, have a coffee, get some work done because they are set up with workstations and a work at home environment there. Plus, there are other things that you use in your everyday life. There's a small medical facility there, there's a preschool there, there's an eye doctor there. So there's things that you use every day. And the idea is that you don't have to leave this community to take care of or get those things done. So it's truly spectacular. Plus, Sterling Ranch is located at the base of the foothills, so you get some awesome views as well from here. Now, if you want more information about this home in particular or any other in Sterling Ranch, there are several builders out here that are building lots of different floor plans, from condos and townhomes, paired homes, all the way up to single family homes and these next gen homes. I would love to help you and answer those questions. Again, here's all of my contact information, and it's in the details section and the comment section below. So please don't hesitate to reach out. If you liked this video, please hit that like button, show me some love. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button as well. So that's all that I have for you today, but I do have this video right here, and I will see you over on this next video.